Hi friends, today we can see how to draw using number 3. Let us start now. First, you write number 3. Then I am marking it in the sketch for the reference. Okay. So using number 3, what we can draw? We can draw many items. I am going to teach you to draw grapes. Like bunch of grapes. You have to join this line. After joining, you join this side. Then this side. Like a circle way, you have to join. Like circle. See? Like circle you have to join. Then only you can form a bunch. Otherwise you won't get the bunch. In this way. See, like this. Then you can draw the branch. Then for decorating, you make this curvy line. Lightly curve like this. One curve and again another curve. One curve and another curve. So while coloring, it looks very beautiful. So while drawing also, it looks very beautiful. If you are doing like this. So this how by using number 3, we can draw grapes. See how simple it is. So now we can draw butterfly. By using number 3. So like this you have to write number 3. So for reference, I am marking it in the sketch. So after writing this number 3, you have to join this both the end like oval. See? This one. Like this one. After that you have to draw this side number 3 like mirror. See how I am doing? Like this. So after finishing this, for a butterfly, again the same 3 is formed. So from here to here again you have to do like mirror 3. After doing this, antenna is formed like this, bendy curve like this. Then for the body you do this, and then for the eyes you do this. You can decorate the wings by any design which you like. I am making circles. Like this. So it is a simple way of drawing butterfly. Grapes. Now let us see how to draw rabbit using number 3. So first you write number 3. So for the reference, I am marking this one in the sketch. So for rabbit, so listen carefully, it is easy. So kids can learn it very easily if you are teaching them. So like bend, you have to form the face. After this one, you form ear, 2 ears. After that one, you form a nose. and then eyes. So after this, you form a hand, two hand, and then a leg, okay, and then body. So it is sitting, no? So sitting position, you have to draw like this. Then a tail. After this one, sitting in the ground, which is having a bush. So you can draw like this. After this one, you draw a mustache. See how rabbit is drawn. It's very easy to teach kids, so they will be eager to learning this. See how grapes is formed using number 3, and then butterfly is formed using number 3, and then rabbit is formed using number 3. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe it to your friends. Thank you.